All right, so here's another tip and trick. This one is for the 10 to 14 Mustang, GT500s, Roush, VMP setups. And where you go into the firewall here, this represents the firewall. My little cheesy mock-up here, but the firewall here, and this is the sound tube coming through the firewall. This is a diaphragm cap that you have to install. Difficult thing is getting that into the very tight space that's underneath the dash. So you're really only able to get one hand in there. It's kind of tight. You'll see when you get it through. But here's a trick to make this go in, this cap to go in here and to push it in. You're going to lube the inside of this really good. I already did that. And what you do is you push it up in there. You're gonna be pushing your hand up there, and you're gonna tilt it upwards. And once you tilt it upwards, you're gonna take a long screwdriver, and you're gonna catch the edge on the bottom there, and you're gonna take that screwdriver and you're gonna push it in, just like that, and it tilts in. And once you get that popped in, then you can get your hand back up there, and you can rotate it. And there, you got it seated now. Otherwise, trying to do that just with your hand, a lot of times you just cannot get the pressure to get the hose barb end over the inside the sound tube itself. And once it's in there, believe you me, it's hard to get these out. They're even with the grease, they're solid. So I'll just show you the edge I was talking about there. So this edge right here, that's the hard part, to get it seated, because basically once you have your hand up in that area, it's hard to push with two fingers to get it to go in. So like I say, you tilt it, take your screwdriver, catch the bottom, push it in. There you go. Now you can get up in there and you can get it the rest of the way in, and that's it.